Okay, good day. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your biodata from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I speak little, but I understand.
As long as you can communicate with the employer is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, better stay in the Philippines because there is no point of coming here if you don't know how to communicate, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy.
Okay, if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, I'm ex-abroad, ma'am.
Okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose this one, Malaysia, ma'am, because I want experience
You want to
another country.
experience another country. Okay, what is your
Yes,
name?
Mirasol Ligaspo, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
Are you single or married?
Single parent, ma'am.
Single parent. How many children do you have?
One.
How old is the child?
6 years old, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
September 10, 1998.
What is your height and your
And
weight?
my height is 5'2", my weight is 59.
Okay, so what is your religion?
Pa?
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm good. I good, madam. I'm senior high school graduate.
Senior high school graduate. Okay, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So you mentioned that you are a single parent who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia.
My parents, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their
40,
occupation?
my parents' age is 42, housewife.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
4 brothers and 2 sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm first, ma'am.
You are the eldest.
Yes.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Qatar. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
finished the contract.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Qatar?
I'm ironing, cleaning, car wash, and care of baby.
Did you cook and do laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
All.
how many children you take care?
Only one.
How old is the child?
13 years old.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
No, 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 ma'am, because I want to another country, experience another country.
Okay. So, I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes,
Employers
ma'am.
here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big. So, you need to get ready yourself, fasten your seatbelt, because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Qatar, okay?
Yes,
But I
ma'am.
don't want later that you will going to uh um what is it you will going to compare your previous employer to your recently employer. So I am telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Houses here
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very big. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
But I
caregiving? Okay.
but that I want more experience to cook, ma'am.
So as long as you are willing to learn to cook some new recipes, is we don't have any problem. It's a plus point for
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
okay? So can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I will try my best, ma'am.
Okay, so are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I love pets.
Okay, so how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
What? Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
How
repeat?
how will you gonna handle your homesickness later, knowing that you will going to work quite far away from your kid again?
I work hard, and I will care of baby as my baby.
So it can lessen your homesickness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 1 day, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 month, and definitely it's not 1 year. Okay?
Yes.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of
Yes.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come into work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Yeah, you know it,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Usage of
Yes.
mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to
Yes, ma'am.
stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
I have
I
mentioned it
agree.
many times. We don't force people to come here. Okay? It's either you agree or you disagree.
I
If you
agree,
agree,
ma'am.
it's okay. You can come work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your kid, knowing that you are a single parent. In Philippines,
Yes, ma'am.
you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves also, okay? This is a foreign
Yes,
country. We are a
ma'am.
foreigner in this country. So we need to humble ourselves. So we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.